Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve banking problems from the exercise 2b. Exercise 2b, first sum. Given P equal to rupees 600 and N equal to 4 years, that is 48 months, and R equal rate of interest R equal to 8%, and we want to find a maturity value. Now we will directly go with the maturity value formula. Maturity value equal to P into N plus I. P into N plus the formula for interest is P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. Now 600 into 48 plus 600 into 48 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into or 8 divided by 100. Now we cancel 100 ones are 100 6 are 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 600 into 48 plus 48 into 49. So 48 into 49 will be 432 into 192 2 5 2352 into 2 4704. Therefore 600 into 48 into 600 6 8 6 are 48 6 4 are 24 for 28,800 plus 4704. Therefore maturity value will be 33,504 rupees. Exercise 2b, second sum. Given P equal to 80, N equal to 18 months, rate of interest only we have to find, and maturity value is given, that is 1554. Now we will go with the formula interest. The formula for interest equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. So P is given 80 and N also given 18 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 R divided by 100. So we will cancel these numbers. 10 8s are 10 10s are 2 1s are 2 4s are and 4 1s are 4 3s are and 3 1s are 3 6 are and 2 3s are 2 5s are. Now 3 into 19, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 57. 57 divided by 5 or I equal to, so I equal to 57 divided by 5 R. Now we go with the formula total sum deposited equal to P into N. P is 80 into N is 18. So 18 into 80. 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 1440 rupees. Now we will go with the maturity value formula. MV equal to P into N plus I. We already found the P into N 1440. Interest is 57 divided by 5 R. And maturity value is already given in the sum, that is 1554. So 1554 minus 1440 equal to 57 divided by 5 R. So subtract 1554 with 1440 1, that is 114 equal to 57 divided by 5 R. So equal to 57 R. 114 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. 570 equal to 57 R equal to 570 divided by 57. R equal to 570 divided by 57. 57 ones are, 57 tens are. So R equal to 10%. Exercise 2B, third sum. Given maturity value equal to 16,176 and P equal to P is 400 and R equal to 8%, and we have to find the N. Now we will go with the formula interest. I equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R divided by 100. 400 into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 8 divided by 100. We want to cancel this. 100 ones are, 100 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 six are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are. Therefore, I equal to 4n plus 1 divided by 3. And total sum deposited, we have to find the total sum deposited equal to P into N. That is P equal to 400 into N. 400 into N. Total sum deposited equal to 400 into N. We will go with the maturity value formula. Maturity value equal to P into N plus I. P into N we already found, 400 into N, and I equal to 4n plus 1 divided by 3. Maturity value is already given in the sum, that is 16,176. So we have to take this 3 as LCM, that is 16,176 into 3 equal to 400 into 3, that is 1,200 into N plus 4n plus 1. So 16,176 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 22, 3 1s are 3, 5, 6 3s are 18. That is 48,528 equal to 1,200 into N plus 4n plus 1. Now we have to divide this step with number 4. So if we divide this step with 4 means 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, again 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 300 into N, 4 1s are 4, N plus 1. Therefore 300 into N plus N square plus N, 301 N plus N square. Now we will make it as a equation n square plus 301n minus 12,132. Now from this equation we have to find the value n. We will go with this method. Now take factors for the number 12,132. You will get 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 337. Now take 337 as one side and 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So take 337 as one side and 36 on the other side. So 337 into 36 equal to 12,132. See, plus into minus equal to minus, and if you add these two numbers you will get the answer plus 301. Now n plus 337 n minus 36. Therefore n equal to minus 337 and n equal to plus 36. We got the two answers. Always the month will never be in the negative form. N equal to 36, that is n equal to 3 years. Exercise 2B, fourth sum given. That is, Mr. Balaji needs rupees 30,000 after 2 years. He must be getting this 30,000 after 2 years. That must be a maturity value. So maturity value will be 30,000 rupees and n equal to 2 years, that is 24 months, and r is equal to 8%, and we have to find the p. P also they have given in multiple of 5. The least money that should be in the multiple of 5. The money he is going to deposit every month should be in the multiple of 5. Now we will go with the formula interest. I equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 to r divided by 100. P only we have to find, and n 24 plus 1, 2 into 12. Now I will cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 2 and 2 cancelled, and 2 fours are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 twos are 4, 25s are. This 25 and 24 plus 1, 25 also will be cancelled. So I equal to 2p. Now total sum deposited equal to p into n. Therefore p only we have to find, and n equal to 24. Therefore 24p. We will go with the maturity value formula. MV equal to p into n plus I. P into n we already found, and I also found 2p. Maturity value is given in the sum, that is 30,000. So 30,000 equal to 26p. So p equal to 30,000 divided by 26. Cancel this number with 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 15,000s are 30,000. Now divide this number with 13. 15,000 divided with 13. 13 ones are 13, remaining 2, and again 13 ones are 13, remaining 7, and 13 5s are 65, and remaining 5, and 13 3s are 39, remaining 11. We have to go with the decimal now. So 13 8s are 104, and remaining will be 6, and again another 0, that is 13 4s are 52, remaining will be 8. So P equal to 1153.84. In the sum, they have mentioned the money deposited in every month should be in the multiple of 5. So either we need to go with the 1150 or 1155. So we can go with the number 1155. So the monthly deposited money would be 1155. Exercise 2B, fifth sum, given n equal to 36 months and R equal to 8% and I equal to 9,990. So we have to find a monthly installment P and the amount of maturity, that is maturity value. So here interest is given. So we will go with the formula interest I equal to P into N equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 or divided by 100. I is given in the sum, that is 9,990. P only we have to find, and N is 36. 36 plus 1, 2 into 12 to R is 8 divided by 100. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, and 2 twos are 4, 2 50s are 2 ones are 2 25s are. So 36 plus 1 37, 37 into 3 equal to 111. 111p divided by 25. So 9,990 equal to 111 divided by 25p. So therefore p equal to 9,990 into 25 divided by 111. So 111 ones are 111 90s are. So p equal to 25 into 90. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18. That is p equal to 2,250 rupees. We will go with the formula maturity value. Maturity value equal to P into N plus I. P is 2,250 and N equal to 36. And interest also given in the sum, that is 9,990. So we have to multiply 2,250 into 36. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15, 6 2s are 12, 13, 3 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 11, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 2s are 6 11. That is 81,000, and if we add 81,000 plus 9,990 equal to that is 90,990. So maturity value will be 90,990 rupees.